If I can pray, what is that?
I saw Kojina was sorry them. Not obeka sa same way was sorry them. Say na me man, I say me na no mbebu me. The person me come Ghana for asofu. The hypocrites among them, the sycophants among them. Say, me no, I owe them no obligation. I owe them no obligation. I'm not in this world to live up to your expectations. Neither you are here to look up to mine. I owe you guys no obligation. Mini bibia wo wiase a ya hye me se me yede ma wo. Me ntwi me kon me hwede ya wuyim. Enso ewuso ntwo kon e me hwede yim. Radio adwuma, TV adwuma na me for almost 24 years. And my say adwuma we sa. Nti Bedu Kobi na o kasa asem no, sa 24 years no. No wo hefa. Na asoro na hefa na yeden. Ne wo. Ewiase obi bu a na wo so abu no bi. What you say? Asa sofuni bi o maye mo sa se mu yusu nkofo mu gu nkofo ani mu ase me wi obi a metu egu mani mu ase me tu enu wi obi egu mani mu ase oba me fear with all this situation that what rate me no I am more like a king. I live in my own empire. Dia ne nkwasi asem no dia be ne nkwasi asem no Ghana sofuni bi tabemu with all due respect. Means asofo no bi wo ha they will be agreed. They be when say be a transfers no somehow na hash as it is, but I have to. I'm also aggrieved. Dear body. Asofo juma na dear body. I say Emmanuel Kobi me who is what two na nyesi me ma busu afo so. You did the same to me brother Penny Lumba. The same thing I did my brother Lumba. You try to make it popular negatively. Now it's my turn. But I decided to keep mute over it. But enough is enough. I have to voice out. Let's hold our breath. Now you more tape you both tape then you understand where I'm coming from. Into producer tape tape na momo. Ma momo Emmanuel Kobi tape no momo.
If I can pray, what is that? You are bringing your car. You are sewing your car. He's sewing his Mercedes Benz. Never listen to me. Say, have I forced you to do that? Because sometimes I don't want to hear any other story. So when I hear things out loud, how can I pray for Lumba to live? And today I'm going to tell you something. How can I pray for Lumba to live and I can't pray for myself to live? It's not difficult. The way to make things work in the spirit is not difficult. So I know why that what happened to me happened to me. Today I'm going to tell all of you, listen to me. I don't care whether it goes on Facebook, everyone listen to me. There was a plot from Ghana to kill me. And God decided to make some choices. Emmanuel Bedu Kobi and Daniel Kobi, who should live. If Emmanuel Bedu Kobi dies, the assignments are given to him. So many people will be stranded. Therefore, I would rather take a son for him.
Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Lord.
So, I will see Mama in Kolebu. I'll look at her. I'll pray. But I wouldn't tell her what will happen. It's only one person in Ghana, Otwinoko. I sat with him in my house in July 2017. Almost 4 months ahead of time. I said, Otwinoko, you see your eyes. Yesterday you spoke against men of God. You did a lot against men of God. God came against you. Now your eyes can see. And you're a Christian, but you never see again till you die. Also, the man you are seated before, I will cry soonest. That's my son who's sick. He will die. But I kept it. It was not easy for me. I see the coffin. Sometimes when I'm entering bedroom, I see the coffin. I said, God, can't you do anything for me? He said, no. Either your son dies or you die. He said, the assignment I've been for Ghana. Blood must go down. So we don't talk much. I have a lot to tell you, but you see, sometimes you will not be strong to carry it. Some of you also misconstrue me, so I keep it quiet to my chest. I pray for greater. Somebody has HIV, somebody has hepatitis. All those things go. How much more my son? I can just pray for God to. It's easy. But I know why. If I can pray, what is that? You are bringing your car. You are sewing your car. He's sewing his Mercedes Benz. Never listen to me. Say, have I forced you to do that? Because sometimes I don't want to hear any other story. So when I hear things out loud, how can I pray for Lumba to live? And today I'm going to tell you something. How can I pray for Lumba to live and I can't pray for my son to live? It's not difficult. The way to make things work in the spirit is not difficult. So I know why that what happened to me happened to me. Today I'm going to tell all of you, listen to me. I don't care whether it goes on Facebook, everyone listen to me. There was a plot from Ghana to kill me. And God decided to make some choices. Emmanuel Bedu Kobi and Daniel Kobi, who should live. Wait, if Emmanuel Bedu Kobi dies, the assignments are given to him. So many people's life will be stranded. Therefore, I would rather take a son for him.
Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Lord.
So, I will see Mama in Kolebu, I'll look at her, I'll pray, but I wouldn't tell her what will happen. It's only one person in Ghana, Otwinoko. I sat with him in my house in July 2017. Almost 1 month ahead of time. I said, Otwinoko, you see your eyes. Years ago, you spoke against men of God. You did a lot against men of God. God came against you. Now your eyes can see. And you're a Christian, but you never see again till you die. Also, the man you are seated before, I will cry soonest. That's my son who is sick. He will die. But I kept it. It was easy for me. I see the coffin. Sometimes when I'm entering bedroom, I see the coffin. I said, God, can't you do anything for me? He said, no. Either your son dies or you die. He said, the assignment I've given for Ghana, blood must touch the ground. So we don't talk much. I have a lot to tell you, but you see, sometimes you will not be strong to carry it. Some of you also misconstrue me, so I keep it quiet to my chest. I'll pray for that somebody has HIV, somebody has hepatitis, all those people. How much more my son? I can just pray for God to. It's easy. But I know why.
For Yakwaku try home Abba. Also for Bedu Kobi. Now someone Okoka family any. I know say it's almost 2 years ago. But me no be a this social media person. I have no interest in that. Do what happens among force send the bro. So that time 2 years ago now social media na get strong to say ne. What do you say? But then as I be popular at the buy. So utie asama oka obi ene so seed e wa so dem e de na Mercedes Benz e na aba ni keys na so de kwa akoma no fine, but me mpese meti asembia. I don't want to hear the stories. Did I force you to sow seed? The people say no. And one obi no feel say na mo so manyame aye bibi di ama no muntie ne ye o e no de ne ka e be ba for de no de ka asafoa e de ye den e brewo. Asama oka no. It's not in the line. A contrary, and from baby in Shia. But Emisa Asofo no, how much less you say Ghana for you are so stupid. What you say, Ghana for you are so stupid. Now Ghanaians are descending. Now Ghanaians are descending. We open-minded. What you say, send a Musu Ghana for baby and this and that. Or the cow, no, they be for the with key, no, they brew. And you know, quasem, and shia and fabia. So free man could be. And I just a mini lumba, no, they are sorry. Many saw that very day, no. Mini lumba, no, this I saw them or that very day now will be so seed. Into many lumba, some maybe 2 moon. Are they in the line? As someone will be checker. And then as my walk no if I obi a wo hebi emu asazimi obi ena nyame nam so e bibi ama no wo de car e de ba for de ahye nyame anumonyam nti emu se hu se eye overjoy na ni age aboso nti na man kasa sa na obom paye e man krofo ho to wo mu obom paye e ma lumba we be wo tenase. I pray for Lumba to lead. I didn't want him neba. Why not my son? The son was hospitalized at Kolebu. He knew what was going to happen. Back then, I was the only person or no patch say who inform me. We now only that sorry no. Emmanuel Kobi and Tinya money Ramani. Send a baby who and a baby baby. But make neutral person. Men now just for them who a good menu master. Me mum or bomber money. nti obi a woyɛ right thinking person obi a wadwene mu ɛda hɔ bia me kasa wotie me bia no sɛ asɛm wasi na ukoyi obi adanseɛ na ukogu nipa no ase a sɛ court asɛm a yɛfrɛ nipa na ɔbɛba ɔba de asɛm no bɛka de afa ho mo a mohwɛ me nyinaa no mumuwa yɛnkasa saa ɛdeɛ na ma ne ka asɛm ɛdeɛ na ma ne ka asɛm sɛ ɔne tena ase wɔ ne fie ɛna ɔse woyɛ kristoni na wani ehunu adeɛ bi nkɔpem sɛ obi wu nti obi a wɔnim kwabena sare biara ages ɛnim sɛ meyɛ obi a you can't play child's game or child's play with me, you can't. So then you can't, never. This offer we are sure says Sophie. Many in the fear and no cast has some way to tell me. And I'm swallow at them. And I'm sorry, Boko, and I'm a coy. Dear and commander course woman with them. Na a year then cram and be pee ufi. A year then and be pee was sorry. You see? Once a big kitty car now will be the chairman and say, who die? I can't tell. Car, you're Tony saying. Emmanuel Kobi car, you're Tony saying. Intimacy Benz no be the chono, and no who there. Oh, my son of Fadaba. Car no be the chono, and no who there. Car, you're Tony saying. How much is car? How much? Car. Car say we are saying luxuries area. Car e Tony saying. The bell fear the uncle one our casa me be die. Into fit ya me usimi una wo ka ho say me no betina ofie. Na car sa asem say wa cassette ya so fu bi. Into wani unhu ade biem. Is it a crime to go blind? Is it crime to be in the family of VIP, visually impaired, in the world of Ghana? Imano Kobi, I'm very sorry. Imano Kobi, I don't know. Ade Ghana am full so be the nibefra. Any wu so be any enwade ana. Imano Kobi no to kasa neba ewu ye. It's unko na be wu Ghana ha. Meba wu 1995 na meba ewu ye. Sanya na make an videos obi nim zem bewuda. Nobody knows. Obi can was my then na unko ba ko fo obewu ye a. Almost 2 or 3 years I told in Canada. Because on some keka. Why fast for wakasa? You need to learn how to talk. Yen kasasa. Maybe you're an honest person. I love to move with honest people. I'm a progressive person and I love to move with progressive people. I don't talk anyhow. So usi woni metina ofia enkomo ba na animi die. Enkomo de wantinya nka enkomo bia animi die o. If you were planning against somebody or we were planning for our own welfare and you wantinya nka wasem bia o. I don't want some back. So Otwinoko a cassette ya sofo na me ka kire no e wo ho se nani omade biom. Is it crime? Steve Wonder who we asked that. But he's making it. Steve Wonder we ja our rebel 7 times. Is it crime? Why no what Ghana how obetinya ka se Pabna Sara for phone friends and dem me ma ya bua bentino like I need housekeeping money. The biasida. Do you know how I managed to pay the school fees of my kids? Those in abroad. Do you know how much I manage? You have no idea. You have no clue. But the congregation now, you talk anyhow. Me a last person. If I know God or I don't know God, I'm not too religious. I know where I'm coming from. But and I'm most of them, wolves in sheep clothes. How do I say, man, make it offensive remark against me? If you did say, I'll be the very person to come out and bear you out as in witness or witness now. Obana him for now me call Obano me hunida. The person who bought these questions, you need to answer these questions. Obana how come me hunida? Obana him for me no shiano. Baby me no shia no one na ho. Nkomo ben na me di fa wo na Obana ho. Into one kasano, you will be in the very position to testify to the whole world. So to me, Castle, but now when you move fee, now catch us cassette as of for, no when you and what the abium copies will be good. You make you good, you make you correct. But Obana dear now, Okano, the person one cassa, Obabontin, Mark Okachiri Viase. Don't ever mention my name as a witness. Meaning Bibia about your Okano. Asama woka fa obanu wo ho a waka circulating say 2-3 years na de bia no. I have no idea. I have no clue. Asama person me ka kire wo no. Yen say pasa. Yen say ni pasa. Bra me ba won I had not asked for money. Nothing. I didn't me ba wa sorry. Because I thought that you were a think tank. Deep thinker. But she and someone could not story them out. Very bashful, very disgraceful. Na me tu obeti meje me makasa asem naturally. Ghana so for mo anyina no. Omo nya papa Otwinoko yare obi ase obi na man yare man yare. They're fighting. But you can't put me down. Never. You can't put me down. Debi eno yo court eno so mbosum na say. Satan na me shebebi din na me chi mu. Eno won se enim guase atutu mu nyina. Asofo no begina abonten na me yare no. But I'm still living. And I'm doing better than before. I'm doing better than before. Satana menye TV adwuma. Ni be say na me TV so me TV adwuma. Muni ni padodo amehwe won. Ni padodo amebua won. But mo ya dia na eda abonten. Mestra sofo no say like I'm not trying to pick you guys up or pick you on. Enya mo so na me wa na say be etisa. Bedu Kobi na mo nya de akoba ntimi pa mo chew. And you be asking be an amazing neighbor, and then you almost not somebody neighbor becca. And you almost saw one Bedu Kobi Musan. Numbank one in the power bomb by a man at areas. I don't know. So, Utimi, Jambe Nimna Casa signature. You won't take it easy. And you know, correct. If I can say them, ne car na de mano, and they would de, and I could make his offensive remarks against me. Papa. Nti wana wo kasa wawu ankrofo bo de no. Se oba no so amfiri mu na nkanani onhu ade. E na Bedu Kobi o kwa sorry. E na aba no kuta briefcase. E na ukura na nsa ntinka wo ko asoro de ma. Be wusa asenka abepe anase wompe. Ewi aso. Ebin to wada. Bedu Kobi so ya kani, but I wonder politics wo nanse asantefo ema asem na akokan. Look at the way Ghana for you. Yanyina na se pitu. But that video we say me am but the way na pressure go for the bus adan ana no mu group man na. Me no be any group bi em. Bedu Kobi on pia bonti no meka. Say me wa ma me dem penny CD pana. I was paying him rather. Me na Bedu Kobi sika. Me na Bedu Kobi sika. Enyo na mama sika. I didn't na make sir because me corner store dem no. I pay offering. What you say? I didn't na me kwa asore ho. Na me ka bibi kitu we mankofo ehun bibi wa say. We ase we wa dwen say obe say obi a wan kasa na wo say wo. We kasa obe say obi a wan kasa na say wo. Na me timike ka we nya bi che Bedu Kobi bie ma na adwene mu da ho. No who next time baby o de nsem beva. Enye ni penya de kan wo mu. Me video to be honest with you. Video about 2 years ago. Piece of friend will tape some person interview and so I'm very sorry. I can't do that. Oh yeah, video in America. Satana my sister in America. The video me who be bia. Aden eso to me kasa. Me ka se mi akere mo ase. Me twa so me nya kwala o. Me nya kwala. menya kwala say bia obi ehu mi anase bibi etesa adwuma wo ya da bia no ya kwala kwachi so obi a wo kyera de teacher ni we school be say 30 years ni obi hia u teacher ni na wo kura no wa age since teacher ni no e say yakopon ye na ade so nti minim adekodi a Sofu Emmanuel Kobi ekogina ho e ka asa asem no wa sorry dem mo minim say the church members omu bebre me namfofo they are watching me from afar as for my shock but ogina sorry dem o ka asa asem he said say like I don't care if it's going on what Facebook, right? As you see an article can make us an idea me so me kire me so me die mu a me kan de on say mama sana ni party sana ni piring etie nipa ne behu me kam obi awiasefo obi a den ate Emmanuel Kobi no di on the frame of me Otwinoko of frame a great man of frame di on the frame a great man so di adi na see enti a ogina so dem okokasa o kama congregation mo say oso o yekese anase di enti na okasa nti ono obi ani nkomo bi a e dicey e delicate bi a chen mi an ko na nchen so o si kan ba ni fie me na be trans no a obetima be gina so dem obabeka obegina so dem akasa just preach the word the gospel but don't be atakofa asofo am Ghana se mu nyina mu tinya akabum na maye ba ko a kasa ne ma be nyina nkensi obi apene de ni busamo asofo am hwe me no all over the world say the mu ye mo ko ba ne ade nyina no indeed mu de nipa e ko heaven ama say sika COVID-19 lockdown e bi ba ye ka asofo ne ade nyina ye shate o ma so down for be couple of months be 2 months then. Look at the way they were wailing, nagging their teeth here and there. They say, "Abansu will be almost nipa 100, and no crowd almost see it." Into me, baby, a TV station in Akudu in Aze. Is it for heaven's sake, or just to amass wealth? It's kind of what they don't pay, and I say heaven and no more than the pirating echo. It's very pathetic. Said you be a wabonti and who Otwinoko now see Otwinoko asem. Yes, I'm Otwinoko etie. Me discipline, Papa. Obi a oni mi bia na mempen kontompo. Me try some mechanical. Inti me nante edin. E wi asem Papa catch them be the connection edi animu ana bibia ye ka the connection ba mu bia na e kro no. O da ka bia bo the connection e kro no. Go straight to the point. Na me ka asembi hwe asofo nipa na modo mo atwa mo hia te se China war no sana nkofo weti nipa no call bi nche pe obi baba bonta ka se oh guy we dey enfa ho hey because onim se wo unimu no enti wo ba nipa na nche no obeka shortcoming bi e dey akire nipa na oba na nche no je so no sha se clear ofiu e na asofo ne bi ti wo mo no osofu bi o wiase bi oso esofu bi ya. I respect that man of God or woman of God. Adintra. Almost in Yakopon friend. I wasn't there when the said person was called. There a friend no me I can't challenge the person. But it drew baby no match ya. It drew baby of Nakwanzo no kwakwachia. And the problems be way in Ghana. We are the question now. No. I'm still on Emmanuel Bedu Kobi. Says asem na okai no. Either so beba abere tract 2 years and then so yes our program no. Obeba abere retraction no. Me man 1 week. Retraction no. Enye no kure. Say Emmanuel Kobi me ne tena ne fie e ma ne timi bie na no e ka kire me kwabna sare say o sorry was so ntina when you fra God will slap him. I saw the situation that I find myself in now. I will slap him. You are more than Uncle Tom. Why do you do that? What do you take me for? How? That's what I can. Say you man ko bi tape the Bible to ka say no Otwinoko ba me fi otimanim na me ka kire say wo sorry ti asofo anyway ni afra na hu ade be bona so mo fi wo. For so kasa na also a true man of God omra bonti no be ka no kire. For so a true man of God me ka kire say omra no me ka sa asem no de wo mun kire wiasefo nyina. O ka sa asem no e wo me manim. Also a man of God. Me ka kire but more than ever cast as no emo obi ante enya sa ensem be keka bom enya sa ensem be keka bom me ti me baby I don't go out me ti me baby din say and am be me program